About 1,000 displaced and needy Afghan families received relief assistance in the capital Kabul on Tuesday. According to the Taliban-led caretaker government, the distributed assistance supplies were donated by Turkmenistan, Pakistan, China, Kazakhstan and Russia. The needy families also received special food packages for children provided by United Nations Children's Fund. Economic woes hit the impoverished country, following freezing of over $9 billion of Afghan central bank's assets by the United States, as well as a halt of funds by the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund. Aid agencies are racing against time to deliver life-saving aid and supplies to crisis-hit Afghans during winter in the mountainous country.